Good afternoon and welcome back to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. You know who I am. Just finished up prep for the butter roasted radishes and salmon and the rice pilaf with peas. Let's take a look. There's these lovely radishes that I picked up from my buddy Vinny at Bel Air. There's some peas, the rice, the orzo, some onion, orange slices for the salmon, butter, garlic, parsley, some zested orange for the salmon, more butter, and a little 4-spice blend for the pilaf. As you can see, everything is ready for tonight. All I got to do right now is get this back in the fridge that needs to go in the fridge until later on this evening when I start to actually prepare all this. Okay, so have a great afternoon, eat great food, and have fun cooking.